fake news spreads even faster than the coronavirus and severely damages our fight against it. On this episode, we fact-check some of the commonly propagating fake news, misleading news, and false information about the disease. A WhatsApp message claims that COVID experts, the biggest COVID experts at Nanavati Hospital, have apparently given out guidelines for common treatments of the coronavirus, and these include having boosting vitamin C in your body, having lemon squeezed in warm water in some intervals, having turmeric mixed in milk. Jaggery and ghee is also touted to be a cure, and apparently doctors also recommend taking steam at least once a day. Now, all these measures are good against the common cold. In fact, vitamin C does boost your immunity, but these are not treatments being given to COVID-19 patients, and these are certainly not recommended as a treatment against the coronavirus. Nanavati Hospital doctors have themselves busted this claim. A video doing the rounds on social media apparently shows a protest, and the claim being made is that this protest is against Bill Gates, and the people in the video are apparently calling for the arrest of the billionaire philanthropist. Now, Bill Gates has been at the center of controversy ever since the pandemic began. There is a set of conspiracy theorists who believe that Bill Gates was behind the virus and that he in fact deliberately he's linked to having released it all over the world so that he can sell his own vaccine and insert microchips in people to track them. These are obviously false claims, and this footage of a protest against Bill Gates in the United States is also fake and misleading. In fact, these are protests against the lockdown that's been instituted in America. This has got nothing to do with Bill Gates. Now, posts shared thousands of times on social media across the world shows a melted inner panel of a car, and what has caused it is, the post claims, a hand sanitizer spontaneously combusting. The post claims that a hand sanitizer was left in a car which was extremely heated up. The inside temperature of the car had reached 35 degrees, which is when this bottle of sanitizer spontaneously combusted and caused this damage to the inner panel of the car. Now, this is fake and misleading. Sanitizer is flammable. It should be kept away from an open flame. It should be kept away from direct heat, and it should be handled with care, but there is no evidence at all to suggest that it can spontaneously combust. It cannot. Experts have dismissed this claim. There is no way that a hand sanitizer bottle, even if it's alcohol-based hand sanitizer, can spontaneously ignite. So do not be afraid to store hand sanitizers in your car. And finally, a message that has been circulating for a while now claims that there is going to be a military-enforced lockdown in Maharashtra and Pune. This is absolutely baseless. This is absolutely untrue. Central forces were called in to reinforce the police force in Maharashtra, who were overworked and exhausted, because Maharashtra leads in the number of coronavirus cases and the lockdown has to be enforced there quite strictly. However, the state is also at the same time looking to open up in places that have not been hit hard by the disease by mapping the entire state into zones where economic activity can restart in a graded manner and zones where still containment measures have to be applied. So no military lockdown is going to happen in Maharashtra or Pune. These are all the updates this time. Thanks for watching.